land is away. One rhythm, many parts. This is Ghana. Morning light finds the streets. Day begins without a rush. Stars open one by one. Life moves steady, calm and sure. Voices rise and settle down. Familiar sounds fill the air. Nothing forced, nothing staged, just people living everywhere. This is Ghana, slow and strong. This is Ghana, Ashanti, Greater Accra, Eastern Central, Volta, Western, Northern. One land, 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 many paths, one land, one rhythm. Upper East, Upper West, Northeast, Savannah, Ahafo, Bono, East, Western, North, Doti. This is Ghana. This is Ghana, coming true.
The land speaks softly before the city wakes. Different tongues, one heartbeat, one road we all take. Sunlight on faces, names older than time. Many roots, one country, one rhythm, one sign. Akan voices rise with the drum. Asante Fante, a gem strong. Aquapim hills, Bonoland. Kwa hupas we walk along. Zema shoulders and a hunter waves. Sef we forest standing tall. Wasa rivers moving slow. One family, one call, one Ghana. Many voices, different names, same ground. Different drums, same movement. One land, one sound. One Ghana, many voices. From dust to the sea. Not divided by our stories, but joined by history. From the north, the Moldagban sound. The Gomba drums speak deep and wide. Mamprus in Anumba stand firm. Tradition walking side by side. Dagare songs and Kumasi strength under open northern skies. Patience written in the land. Wisdom clear in quiet eyes. Oh, one Ghana, many voices. Slow steps, steady hands. Every tribe a chapter in the story of the land. Here where rhythms cross the plains and the waves don't go flow. Becky Hills remember time where the river spirits go. Songs carried on evening air. Movement gentle, words precise. Culture held in simple acts. Nothing wasted, nothing twice. Got me voices by the coast. Got Ada Kroboko. Shy hills, prom breeze. Ningo drums along the shore. City life and ancient ground, ocean breath and human pace. Old rules under new streets, still holding their place. Gourmet strength and steady tones, Konkomba be mobile stand. Farming songs and open fields, life shaped gently by the land. One stories first to stay, Gonja Efu, two names remain. Larten, Konya, Anumpas, still echo through the rain. Grusi and Gurunsi drums, Kasina, Frafra sound. Sisala, Talensi ways, footprints deep in northern ground. Monday voices travel far, Bisalik beat threads connect. Trade and movement, words and signs, history written with respect. One Ghana, many voices, not loud but long and true. Different ways of seeing life, still walking side by you. One Ghana, many voices, no rush, no disguise. Just people living every day under shared skies. We don't move the same way, we don't speak the same tone, but when the drum is beating, we all know home. This is Ghana, many voices, one land, different stories in one song, moving forward hand in hand. This is Ghana, many voices, one land, different stories in one song, moving forward hand in hand.
Ghana is calling, open your heart, come along. Golden soil on the morning light, a lemon's known for shining gold. Deep-rooted pride in every step, stories rich and bold. Ancient kingdom stood so strong, royal drums still sound today. Ashanti spirit, brave and wise, living in every way.